pinaka gusto kong part dyan, yung ending. Ito, ako yung hubad sa'yo. Yeah, kasi I think lahat naman ng tao na in a relationship or don't take it as like parang literal na yung ako, kasi yung song it defines yung it describes na ako yung all out sa'yo, parang lahat, I'm all in for you. Yun yung sabihin nun, yung ako yung hubad sa'yo. So, yun yung pinaka-gusto kong line na kumbaga, lahat naman tayo pag nagmamahal, diba? All out. So, we're all in sa minamahal natin.
Pero sulit ba na all out kapag nagmahal?
Yes, definitely. Yeah. Worth it. Kasi, you know, at the end of the day, kapag binigay mo yung puso mo sa isang tao, you know, you've been really kind and loving to this person. Sugal naman di ba? Sugal naman, yung pag-ibig is sugal. Kaya, at least kapag hindi man mag-work out, you know sa sarili mo na you gave it all. Minahal ko talaga siya ito.
No regrets.
Yeah, no regrets.
Bongga, thank you.
Thank you.